9 websites I wish I knew earlier. Number 1. Mock Magic. It's a web app to generate high quality device mockups for your next presentation, website, social media campaign, portfolio, and more. Number 2. Kamua.
This tool is the fastest way to resize and cut your videos. It's fully browser based and you work 50 to 90% faster, and also you don't need any previous experience. Number 3, content drips. This tool helps you create social media posts like carousels, posts, or anything for your personal brand quickly and effortlessly. Number 4, Content Row.
This site helps you improve your rating instantly. Number 5. Digital Defined. It has so many different free courses like business, digital marketing, Python, writing, coding, and so much more. Number 6. Contra. This website is one of the fastest working platform for freelancers. Number 7. Hashtag Stack. This tool is the best Instagram hashtag generator and it's free. Number 8. AnswerSocrates.com. It's a free tool for finding the questions people are asking on Google about any topic. Number 9. Click a Snap. With this website, you can get paid to share your images. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon.